Welcome back mga kagalors! We're going to make homemade chocomallow pie. And here's the ingredients. First, cut the crust of each side of the bread. Next, use rolling pin or any material you have to flatten the bread. Now it's time to beat the egg. In preparing, lay the bread first as your base, then put the chocolate and marshmallow on the top of it, and then egg wash the sides of the bread. To close it tightly and neatly. Also, use the fork as it tightens the sides. After you finish wrapping everything, coat the bread with eggs and breadcrumbs.